Hey guys, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Are you trying to connect your Comcast email on your iPhone, but it just won't work? Well, then this video is going to be beneficial for you. Comcast emails issues on iPhone can happen for many reasons, like incorrect server settings, outdated password, authentication problems, or even iOS update glitches. To help you get your Comcast email running smoothly on your iPhone, I'll share the most effective methods right here. Also, you can call us at these numbers on the screen if you need additional expert help at any point of time. Alright then, let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. Check for software updates. For the first step, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. Now tap on the Software Update option. Check to see if your iPhone says it's up to date. If it is, you're all good. But if there's an update waiting for you, just tap Download and Install and follow the steps on the screen. If the software update is not working, then follow the next method to check your server settings. Also, if these methods help you get rid of your problem, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Method 2. Check the server settings. Open up Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Mail. Now tap on Accounts. Find your Comcast email in the list and tap on it. Tap on your email address under the Account section. Alright, now just double click on your Comcast incoming and outgoing server settings. Are all entered correctly? Make sure everything matches up. If the Comcast email is still not working, then try to force restart your iPhone. Method 3. Force restart your iPhone. Alright, first, quickly press and release the volume up button. Now, do the same with the volume down button. Just a quick press and release. Next, press and hold the power button and keep holding it. When you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, you can let it go, and that's it.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.